Want to convert this video into this video? Make sure to watch this tutorial to the very end. First, go to this website, domoai.app. This is the home page you will see. Of course, you need to sign up first. I'll skip this part because it takes time and it's very easy. Assuming I've signed up before, I'll click on Start in Discord. Then Accept Invite. And there we go. This page is where all the adventures happen. We have this section on the left hand side. We should scroll down. To see this part, use Domo. Here there are many groups, we can join one. I'll go for Generate Video too. Now in the message section, I'll type /video and I'll click on video. Now I need to upload my video file. Let's write a quick prompt for it. For instance, about my video, I'll type a student sitting behind the computer and studying online. Now press the enter button. Scroll down to find your video. From this menu, select your anime type. I'll go for 3D cartoon style and at the end hit the start button. It started generating. It will take some time, so be patient. The good point is that you don't have to stay on this page. And there we go. Now you can easily download it. And that's it. You turned a real video to an animated video by only a couple of clicks.